Hi there, this is Jennifer with Broma Fields, and today is day 73 of our 100 Days of Knit Stitches. And today's stitch is called the Diamond Seed Stitch. It is a super easy stitch with just knit and purl stitches, but this one is fun to watch it grow. So it's you want to cast on a multiples of 8, and it's an 8-row increase. So I have 16 stitches on my needle, and I'm using Lion brand Woolies Thick and Quick yarn, and I'm using size 11 knitting needles. We'll go ahead and get started here with row 1. With row 1, it's a simple row. You want to purl 1, knit 7. So we're going to purl 1, knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and repeat. So we're going to have a purl 1. So you can see where these two are joining together. Sometimes it's just easier to watch it grow than it is to memorize the pattern, since they're just knit and purl stitches. So that was row 1. So row 2 and 8 are the same. So we're going to knit 1, purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to knit 1, purl 1. And then that's our 8 stitches. So we're going to go ahead and repeat that. So knit 1, purl 5. And then knit 1, purl 1. So every time we're creating a knit stitch on this side, we're creating a purl stitch on the other side. So this stitch here, for example, that's a knit stitch. This side, it's a purl stitch. Okay. So knit 1, purl 1, yes. So row 3 is, we're going to knit 2, purl 1. So it comes next. We're going to knit 3. Oops. And then we're going to purl 1. And then knit 1. And then we're going to repeat. So we're going to knit 2. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, and knit 1. All right, now we are ready for row 4. So we're going to purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, oops, purl 1, knit 1, then we're going to purl 3, and then repeat. So we'll purl 2, knit, purl, knit, and purl 3. All right. So now we're ready for row 5, which is similar to row 1. So we're going to create a peak. We're going to knit the first 4 stitches. And then we're going to purl 1 at that peak. And then we'll knit 7. And then we're going to purl the peak and then knit these last 3 stitches. So that was row 5. So now we're ready for row 6. Row 6 was the same as row 4. So we're going to purl 2, knit, purl, knit, and purl 3. And we're going to start over. We're going to purl 2, knit, purl, knit, and purl 3. So we created the 2 purls on either side of that peak. So now we're ready for row 7. So we're going to knit 2, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, and repeat. Knit 2, and then we're going to purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1. Now we're ready for row 8, which is the same as row 2. So knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, purl 1. And then we'll start over again. The knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, purl 1. So it kind of starts and stops in the middle, well, kind of at the beginning. Well, I guess it depends. One more row and you could do the peak of the diamond. And then that's probably what I will do. I'll probably do row 1 and then I'll bind off so I have my peaks finished. So that was today's diamond seed stitch, and that is a very pretty stitch. I really enjoy that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.